Divorce process explained and how divorce661.com helps. Divorce in California follows a structured process, but it can quickly become complicated if mistakes are made. At divorce661.com, we simplify every step, ensuring the process runs smoothly. Here's a brief overview of how divorce works and examples of how we've helped couples avoid common pitfalls. Step 1. Filing for divorce. One spouse files a petition for divorce, which officially starts the case. This must be served to the other spouse along with a summons. We ensure all forms are prepared and filed correctly, avoiding unnecessary delays. Example: a client once tried filing on their own but didn't realize they had to properly serve the documents. Months went by and their case never progressed. We stepped in, handled the service correctly, and got things back on track. Step 2. Financial disclosures. Both spouses must exchange financial disclosures listing assets, debts, income, and expenses. Courts require this to ensure transparency before finalizing the divorce. Example: one couple thought they could skip this step since they were in agreement. Their judgment was rejected by the court multiple times. We reviewed their case, prepared the missing forms, and got their paperwork approved. Step 3. Negotiating a settlement. If both parties agree on property division, child custody, and support, they can submit a marital settlement agreement instead of going to court. We draft these agreements so they meet court requirements and prevent future disputes. Example: a couple we worked with had already divided their assets but struggled to put their agreement into proper legal terms. We formalized their decisions, ensuring their judgment was approved without delays. Step 4. Submitting final paperwork and judgment. Once all agreements and forms are completed, a judgment of dissolution is submitted for court approval. If everything is done correctly, there's no need to go to court. Example: a client tried to finalize their case but faced multiple rejections due to formatting errors. After months of frustration, they came to us. We fixed their paperwork and got their divorce finalized in weeks. How divorce661.com makes the process easy. We prepare, file, and track all necessary paperwork. We ensure your settlement agreement is legally sound and court approved. We e-file where available, speeding up the process. We prevent unnecessary court appearances and delays. If you're looking for a fast, affordable, and stress-free divorce, contact us at divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll handle everything so you can move forward without complications.